Welcome, wizards and web warriors. Today we're taking baby steps with JavaScript, exploring its simple yet powerful capabilities. And guess what? We're teaming up with ZeroWork Creator App's latest feature to make some serious magic happen. Step 1. Opening the website. Let's kick off by gently opening the gates to charactercounter.com using ZeroWork. Step 2. Generating random number. Embrace the power of JavaScript as we craft a random number between 5 and 100 with just a few lines of code. Step 3. Storing the number. Safely tuck away our mystical number in a cozy variable for safekeeping. Step 4. Inserting the number. It's showtime. Watch as we elegantly insert our enchanted number into a text input field on the website. Conclusion. Witness the wonders of automation unfold before your eyes. With ZeroWork and a touch of JavaScript, we've turned simple code into powerful enchantments on the web. If you want to learn more about referencing variables and data tables using the right JavaScript building block in ZeroWork, I recommend checking out the documentation. If you're curious about how the taskbot is put together, just hang tight. I'll walk you through all the details and building blocks used so you can recreate the taskbot yourself or tweak it as you please. Thank you for joining our magical journey today. Remember, even baby steps in JavaScript can lead to incredible automation feats. Like, share the magic, and subscribe for more enchanting adventures in the world of coding. Until next time, keep coding and conjuring up those digital wonders.